Held up quite smartly in today's trading session as well. We managed to close around the 15,800 mark while it was not really a big bang move, but after quiet consolidation, we finally shot up less than 0.5%, but we managed to scale and continue to trade at life highs for ourselves. The good thing is that it's been the longest running streak that you've had since December 2020, last year that is, and for 4 consecutive weeks, you've had the markets close in with a green tick for themselves, and this week was no different. Although today it has to be said that the broader markets ebbed off a little bit, much unlike what we've seen month to date play out, of that matter for the last quarter itself. Today the broader markets were lagging and they underperformed what the benchmark indexes did. So on a closing basis, within the F&O universe, you had about 90 stocks standing to the declines, taking over the advances total count. What held out today was IT and metals once again. So metals, after sales fourth quarter numbers, sales shot up by about almost 5.25% in the futures, took it up with it the rest of the metals pack as well. So everything from a Tata Steel to a JSW Steel and ancillaries amongst the metal pack, like a Coal India as well, were holding out and scaling up very, very smartly indeed. Not just that, post the commentary coming in from the TCS AGM, you had the IT pack do very well, led by TCS, which saw some solid gains. You had an HCL Technologies, Techem, Wipro, Emphasis. The entire IT pack, mid as well as small caps, along with large caps, they all put in some stupendous gains for themselves. Also got due support from names like Reliance Industries as well. That shot up by about almost 1.7% in today's trading session. A couple of the pharma names were doing very well. So DRL, for instance, that held out by about 3.5%. Tata Motors as well gave the winners a due company. Tata Consumer, Ayesha Motors, Sun Pharma, these were some of the other names which were the gainers in today's trade. Also, you had an AU Small Finance Bank, a big breakout in the stock, a 6.25% move coming in. You had an Oro Pharma which held out in excess of 5%. And then, of course, the mid-cap IT space that I was talking about. So LT Infotech, LT Technologies, these were all names which were holding on to very, very smart gains for themselves. What put pressure then? Today, the Bajaj Twins, much unlike yesterday, the financial stock as well as FinServ, they ebbed off a little bit after the big breakouts on both those names yesterday. You had a Concord which was down about 1.7% or so. LT Finance was a laggard in today's trading session, 1.7% dip coming in there. Idea slackened a bit, about 1.5% downtick coming in there. And some of the power names, like a Torrent Power, for instance, for the last 2 consecutive days, they've been ebbing off just that wee bit, and you are seeing some signs of profit taking within sectors such as these. UBL was the other one, which was also a laggard in today's session.